Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix on Lenovo Legion 5 system not being able to detect sound, neither microphone. So first, I want to tell you that I tried many things from Google and it didn't work for me, and this is the last thing that I did and actually worked. So first, go to the search for device manager. Now go to sound, video and game controllers and uninstall the I used to have only NVIDIA high definition audio, and then click uninstall. After that, click attempt to remove the driver from the device and then click uninstall. Now only this once didn't work for me. I restarted the computer afterwards, nothing changed. I still didn't have neither audio neither microphone. So what I did is, after I installed it, I scanned for hardware changes. Is to appear once again with the exclamation mark yellow. I used to uninstall it once again. You have to repeat it. You have to do it repeatedly, a couple times, multiple times, 3, 4, 5 even times, until automatically just appears the sound. You'll just notice it. You're just gonna see it appear from here. This is the only thing that worked for me, guys. Tell me if it's beneficial in the comment below if you need any help. And that's pretty much it. Hope you benefit and have a lovely day.